Okay, so today I'm going to be disassembling this Xbox One controller. So I've got this little packet off of Amazon. Comes with a T8 Torx screwdriver. It's got a little dot in the middle too. You can use your old one from the Xbox 360 days as well. And then I've got a T6. I believe it's a T6. It's a little smaller, but I bought this pack off of Amazon. It's called Riddiker, and it came with 6 analog sticks. So I got a 4-pack of controllers online that were all kind of damaged and used up. So I'm gonna restore them. It came with these little pry tools as well. So take the battery pack off like I did. And the first thing you're going to want to do is peel this sticker off. I like approaching it from right here at the bottom there. So I'm going to do that with a pry tool. Also, don't worry, I'm going to upgrade I'm just using my phone right now to record and the microphone as well, but I've got a little lavalier mic on its way, so my videos will sound a bit better. I actually do audio as well, so maybe I can find a good phone editor. If you guys have anything out there that you recommend to edit videos easily. I just don't like going on my computer to have to do it personally, to make tutorial videos like this. So here there'll be a Torx T8 in the middle there under the sticker. I'm just going to leave this here so I can peel it back down later. Just get on in there and unscrew it. I've got a little Harbor Freight magnetic screw holder right over there in the frame. I think you guys can see it. So that's gonna go in there. So this part, I'm gonna put that sticker back down just for now, so don't mess with it. This part can be a little tricky. It's very fun. So there's like these little latches on the inside here, on each side, and it goes along this line and along this line, and then it kind of goes to the bottom there as well. If you can see that. And basically you just kind of have to like pop each little latch out. It's kind of like opening the Xbox 360 console if you've ever done that. So I'm just gonna kind of slide it, and some people like using, I have this tiny flathead, which is very useful for prying. I might do that, and I like to start at the bottom and just kind of pop it open first down there. I find it quite a bit easier. I've seen people do other methods, but this works for me. And you'll kind of just feel it out. Yeah, see, so I got to click there. That's good. I clicked up there. And then down here, yep. Just be careful not to damage it, especially if you're using a flathead. It's a little sketchy, but you have a bit more leverage, which I like, than just using a standard pry tool like that blue device I showed earlier. Yeah, so I'm making some progress here. And then I'm gonna go on the other side here. All right, that's good. Kind of latched it open. Those little clicks, that's what you want. So it looks like I got the top part, but then my bottom part kind of undid itself. All right. that's good. Oh, there we go. We're getting there. And now just up here. And you can work your way up too. Oh, there's so much gunk in this from the person I got it off of. Come on. It's just about there. Try it on this side again. Should pop off. Oh, it's just there. It's like you get one little part and then the other part comes undone. It's really difficult. There we go. And then you can just kind of pull. So there's that. And there'll be two screws, one right there, one right there, on each side. And that's where you use the T8. In my case, it's this yellow one, the larger Torx T8. So I'm gonna try this one now. As you can tell, how much fun I had with the other side. You could also just use the pry tool to slide it all the way through to maybe kind of help loosen it. I don't know. Maybe that helps, but it's challenging either way. All right. Oh, that one went flying. Wow. All right. So, both exposed. T8, 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 T8. Now, unscrew it. Screwdriver is a little small for my hands, but gets the job done. I like the magnet, it's a nice touch. And the little spinny bit makes it quite a bit easier. Alrighty. And just two more, the bottom ones. Sometimes you gotta kind of pop them out too. They get a little stuck in there. Just like that. Oh, there it is. All right, so you removed that one, the bottom one, top one, bottom one, top one on the right side as well. And then you just kind of peel this back, and then it's just the bottom plate. And then you have two boards here. So this one is soldered to the rumble pack, and then I believe it's also soldered to, looks like there's a wire. I think it's coming to this main board where the buttons are on the front, on both sides. You can remove these screws here with the smaller, I think it's a T6 or a T5. Yeah, right there, if I can get it to focus. then another one on this side, right next to the rumble pack as well. Then you can also just take the top faceplate off. For now, I'm just going to replace the analog sticks, and they just pop off like that. And if you wanted, you could probably clean these out a bit or just replace them altogether, but that requires some soldering. If you don't want to do that, then you can just use like some contact cleaner or like a electronic contact cleaner sort of thing. That's safe for plastic as well, I'd recommend. I'm gonna use some here. Need a rack though.